we are going to see how to make this guide pillar and this bushing in this tool assembly, press tool assembly in CATIA. For that, select one plane, then go on sketch option, select circle, make one circle. Let's say its diameter, it's 25 and length is 200. Go on constraint, it's 25, enter, and then exit to workbench, then this pad command, and it's 100, and then take preview and OK. Now here is the chamfer and it's 2 into 45. Let's see it, what is this. Now the chamfer, where is the chamfer? Here is the fillet, this is fillet, sorry. Here is the chamfer. First select one side and then the second side, and here are the length is given. This 2 means the length and 45 is the angle, so we are giving it here. The length is 2 and angle is 45, then OK. And here is the sketch completed. Now we are going to make this guide bush. So the length is 60 and there are 2 circles, one is of 25 diameter and one is of 40. Now go on start, mechanical design, part design, OK. Here select plane, sketch, select circle, again one circle. What was the diameter here? 25 and 40. Constraint 25 and here is 40. Then exit to workbench, then here is the pad command. Now let's see what is the pad. Here is the 60. Now here is again chamfer is given here. It's 25 into 2, length is 2 and angle is 45, length is 2, and let's select the edges on which we want to give chamfer and then preview and OK. Here we have completed. Thank you.